Alright guys, we're inside the Soapy Shark. Look how dope this is. I've recently changed to a different car wash, so I'm just trying out these guys right now. But I really just wanted a quick spot that I could go to that stays open late and that does the outside. The place I go to, they close at 5, so it's dope having a place that can pretty much get it done. But look, triple foam. This is dope. And their prices are pretty reasonable. Here they are right here, in case anybody wants to try them out. These are their prices. Soapy Shark. Unlimited washes, meaning you pay once for the month and you can come as many times as you want, which is amazing. This is literally the best thing, like, to be able to just come and get a quick wash and be on your way. Like, it's nothing better than that. So if you guys are located in Palm Beach, definitely come to the Soapy Shark car wash. They will get you right. Because, and I just figured to film it because I kind of wish someone could film the outside. But yeah, this thing is dope, man. Because the place that I was recently going to, they're super slow, so this is just awesome. Look, it's cleaning everything. Look at that. And this place has tons of cameras, so if for whatever reason something happens, at least they can pull it up on the camera. So this is awesome. I definitely recommend people coming here. I'm in a C8 Corvette right now, so I definitely recommend you guys coming here. Look at that, it's nice and dry. Look at that, it's getting everything. Getting everything. We love it. Yep. The Soapy Shark, I will be back. It's probably the fastest car wash I've ever gotten. I'm gonna dry off the car and get back to you guys, but I just wanted to film how it is on the inside of the tunnel. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.